GoPro, start recording. Started with a GoPro 3 to the 4, 5, 6 on the drum with the hill session. Then it flew away, I lost that one, learned a lesson. Kept submitting, got a GoPro award, how I caught a blessing. Whoa, this knocked me off my balance, cause I see GoPro advertising about $1 million. Rock to the Hero 8. They see me on the board and skate. This rad was with my family, they know I couldn't wait. GoPro, take a photo. GoPro, start recording. GoPro, take a bird. Oh, no, hold up, I can see this.